दृष्टि में ध्येय और स्वरूप में राष्ट्र सेवा का अटूट प्रण।
Behind our training, the parade will welcome and honor him with a salami shastra. Privilege and honor to welcome the chief guests of today's ceremony. Please join us in welcoming Sri Chuku Appa IPS, Learned Inspector General of Police. The parade will welcome and honor him with a grand general salute.
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय द्वारा दीक्षांत परेड के निरीक्षण के आग्रह हेतु उत्साह और आत्मविश्वास के साथ सलामी मंच की ओर अग्रसर परेड कमांडर प्रशिक्षु प्रधान आरक्षी टेलीकॉम हिबू यापा।
दीक्षांत परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
ब्रह्मपुत्र की धुन पर माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय द्वारा परेड का निरीक्षण किया जा रहा है। परेड में शामिल प्रत्येक प्रशिक्षु अनुशासनबद्ध मुद्रा, आत्मविश्वास से पूर्ण और अविचल खड़े हैं। उनके शरीर की भाषा एक अद्भुत चित्र की रचना कर रहे हैं। ऐसा चित्र जो इस प्रशिक्षण की कठोर साधना, तपस्या और
श्रीमान दीक्षांत परेड को शपथ ग्रहण करने की आज्ञा प्रदान करें श्रीमान। श्रीमान
दीक्षांत परेड को
Please. Sri Busukali, FPPS.
सीक्वेंस याद करो
ईश्वर को साक्षी मानकर शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं भारत तथा विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारतीय संविधान के प्रति सदैव निष्ठावान रहूंगा। एक पुलिस अधिकारी के नाते मैं अपने कर्तव्यों का मेहनत ईमानदारी निष्पक्षता के साथ पालन करूंगा। भाषा धर्म जाति एवं इलाके के को इसमें बाधक होने नहीं दूंगा। अपने पद के कार्यकाल में मैं आज्ञा का पालन करते हुए कहीं भी जाने को तत्पर रहूंगा। कर्तव्यों के पालन में अपने जीवन को समर्पित करने से भी नहीं हिचकिचाऊंगा। ईश्वर इसमें मेरी सहायता करे। जय हिंद, जय अरुणाचल प्रदेश, जय अरुणाचल प्रदेश पुलिस।
शिवराज की धुन पर समरस, अनुशासन और अतुलनीय गरिमा के साथ अग्रसर है निशान टोली। यह केवल एक औपचारिक आयोजन नहीं, बल्कि उन असंख्य वीरों की स्मृति का चलायमान चित्र है जिन्होंने राष्ट्र की रक्षा हेतु अपना सर्वस्व अर्पण कर दिया। इस महत्वपूर्ण उत्तरदायित्व का संचालन कर रहे हैं अपनी सबल भुजाओं में राष्ट्रध्वज थामे सहायक निरीक्षक युवराज राय। गर्व के साथ उनका अनुकरण करते हुए अरुणाचल प्रदेश पुलिस के ध्वजवाहक हैं सहायक उप निरीक्षक रेवा चंद्र पावी। आन बान और शान हमारा, यह तिरंगा है अभिमान हमारा। तिरंगा प्रतीक है हमारे बलिदान की, शौर्य की, धैर्य की। तो अरुणाचल प्रदेश पुलिस का ध्वज प्रतीक है सेवा और सुरक्षा। इस पावन अवसर पर ये शपथ है राष्ट्र के।
Morals of the Pride platoon contingents as they march in unison to the beats of the drums and trumpet. Ladies and gentlemen, please a huge round of applause for them. Leading from the front comes the first platoon marching with pride and precision, led by platoon commander, Lady Head Constable Telecom Biri Jumun. Their discipline stride reflects the strength and spirit of our women warriors in uniform. Next in the line with heads held on high but striking in unison is the second platoon led by platoon commander Head Constable Telecom Tanung Zerdo. Together they embody courage, this commitment and camaraderie. The 3rd platoon marching towards the saluting dice is led by platoon commander, Head Constable Telecom Kitmei Kitnal. Every step they take equals their dedication and unflinching loyalty to duty. Ladies and gentlemen, with each note they play, they remind us of valor, sacrifice, and unwavering service to the nation. The Arunachal Brass Band Platoon, playing Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustanta Hamara, led by Platoon Commander Inspector Hemo Bhuya, State Silver Medalist and President's Medal for Meritorious Service. Well synchronized, marching right behind them is the 4th platoon under command of Head Constable Telecom Menla Ralin. With synchronized movement reflecting discipline at its finest, approaching the saluting dice is the 5th platoon with its platoon commander Constable Geken Ago. And finally, bringing up the rear with equal distinction comes the final platoon of today's ceremony under the command of Head Constable Telecom Liam Wang Lowa. A final and a powerful salute to our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and families, can we give them a thunderous round of applause for the spectacular display of parade?
Fraternity and my dear beloved trainees. It is my honor and privilege to present the combined course report of the 4 batches of trainees, which are 51st batch Constable GD Basic Training Course, the 35th batch Police Wireless Operator Grade 3 course, 36th batch Police Wireless Operator Grade 3 course, and the 1st batch Police Wireless Technician Grade 3 course. Sir, the 51st Basic Constable General Duty Basic Training course commenced on 18th May of 2025 and had undergone a rigorous 10 months training. The batch strength consists of 97 police personnel, out of whom 60 are civil police, 5 are from APP-BN and 12 are from IRBN. Similarly, the 35th batch Police Wireless Operator Grade 3 course and 1st batch Police Wireless Technician Grade 3 course commenced with effect from 25th of February 2025 and had undergone a rigorous training duration of 9 months. The total strength of Police Wireless Operator batch is 177 police personnel, out of which 115 are from civil police, 3 from APP-BN and 46 are from IRB. And the Police Wireless Technicians consist of 8 civil police and 5 IRBN radio technician personnel, while the 36th Police Wireless Operator Grade 3 course commenced with effect from 18th May 2025 and had also undergone a rigorous 9 months training. The total strength of this batch is 41 personnel, all of are from the civil police cadre. Sir, the indoor training was designed to provide both theoretical understanding and also practical skills and knowledge necessary for effective wireless communication and technical support. The foundational theoretical session for the police wireless technician covered essential subjects in electronics and communication technology, which included engineering mathematics, electronics and semiconductor devices, transformers, rectifiers, fire supplies, and various telecom procedures and radio communication protocols. These subjects and topics align with the guidelines and training module as prescribed by BPRND and CPWT. These topics provided trainees in-depth understanding on electronic signals, radio communication process, and technical systems used in police wireless operation, which will truly enhance their core competency. While the practical component for radio technicians reinforce the trainees on hands-on understanding and competency on identification of components and study of wireless equipment, network fabrication and installation of measurements, knowledge of instruments, transceivers, network installation techniques, Morse code practice, sending, receiving, and standard procedures. These practical exercises enable the trainees to seamlessly transit from theoretical aspect to real-world application. ensuring seamless handling of equipment, interpretation of signals, and installation of functional communication networks in diverse environments and ecosystems. Apart from it, the indoor training sessions for all the 4 batches were carefully structured and devised on the lines of BPR&D manual and guidelines so as to provide each trainee with a strong foundation in theoretical knowledge and practical understanding of the law, policing principles, and administrative frameworks essential for modern law enforcement agencies. The trainees, apart from the conventional law subjects and its ancillary parts, were also trained on modern application of technology, machine learning, and AI-based understandings. Further, in consonance with the new criminal laws, the forensic understandings and its applications have also been taught to them through theories and practicals. Key focus of the training revolved around on the new criminal laws, which are Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. We have tried our best to equip the trainees on the important procedures and mandates that have been incorporated in the new criminal law. Besides this, trainees also studied and covered a wide range of special acts, some of which are POCSO Act, NDPS Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, Official Secrets Act, Juvenile Justice Act, and various others. The training further included essential modules on police organization and administration, as well as understanding of basic establishment rules and service matters, such as recruitment procedures, promotions, transfers, leave rules, pay structures, service entitlement, and disciplinary rules, and many more. Police procedure and subjects on basic legal framework form the major components of the indoor curriculum, wherein the trainees were enlightened on social science and legal science, such as the Indian Constitution, the role of police in modern India, human rights, human behavior, communication skills, police organization, and its administration. Classes on police science equip the trainees on their understanding on crime and investigation, police procedures, law and order control mechanism, VIP security duties, crowd management, disaster management.
Goes to Constable Debya Tuna. He is being awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate, and a cash award. Best in Drill, Constable Debya Tuna.
बेस्ट इन ड्रिल का पुरस्कार जाता है आरक्षक देविया तूना को। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। 51st बैच बेसिक कांस्टेबल कोर्स के बेस्ट इन ड्रिल आरक्षक देविया तूना।
Now the award for Best in Outdoor. The award for Best in Outdoor goes to Constable Gekin Ago. He is being awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate, and a cash award. Best in Outdoor, Constable Gekin Ago.
आउटडोर बेस्ट का पुरस्कार अपने नाम किया है आरक्षक गेकिन आंगो ने। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। आउटडोर बेस्ट आरक्षक गेकिन आंगो, 51st बैच बेसिक कांस्टेबल कोर्स।
The award for Best in Indoor goes to Lady Constable Bongam Chiram. She has been awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate, and a cash reward. Best in Indoor, Lady Constable Bongam Chiram.
इंडोर बेस्ट का पुरस्कार जाता है महिला आरक्षक बोमगम चिरम। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। इंडोर बेस्ट महिला आरक्षक बोमगम चिरम। देवी और सज्जनों,
Musketry. The award for Best in PT and Musketry goes to Constable Dule Tatung. He has been awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate, and a cash award. Best in PT and Musketry, Constable Dule Tatung.
बेस्ट इन पीटी एंड मस्केट्री। अथक परिश्रम से यह दोनों पुरस्कार अपने नाम किया है आरक्षक दूले तातुंग ने। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। बेस्ट इन पीटी एंड मस्केटरी आरक्षक दूले तातुम।
The all-round base goes to Constable Gungam Liquor. He's being awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate and a cash award. All-round base Constable Gungam Liquor.
अपने उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन से 51st बैच बेसिक कांस्टेबल कोर्स के ऑलराउंड बेस्ट का पुरस्कार के विजेता बने हैं आरक्षक कूगम लिकार। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। देवी और सज्जनों, ऑलराउंड बेस्ट 51st बैच बेसिक
Award indoor base and all-round base Head Constable RT Amanjit Singh.
अपने श्रम और लगन से इंडोर बेस्ड तथा फर्स्ट बैच पुलिस वायरलेस टेक्नीशियन कोर्स के ऑलराउंड बेस्ट का पुरस्कार अपने नाम किया है प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम अमनजीत सिंह ने। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा।
Best in PT Head Constable Telecom Abo Wangsu.
बेस्ट इन पीटी 36th बैच पुलिस वायरलेस ऑपरेटर कोर्स पुरस्कार जाता है प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम आबो वंशु को। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। बेस्ट इन पीटी प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम आबो
Lokdi Loko. He's been awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate and a cash award. Best in Musketry Head Constable Telecom Lokdi Loko.
देवी और सज्जनों, जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए बेस्ट इन मस्केटरी प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम लोकडी लोखो। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। बेस्ट इन मस्केटरी प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम लोकडी लोक।
Cup Wangpan. He's being awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate and a cash award. Best in drill and outdoor base Head Constable Telecom Pankap Wangpan.
बेस्ट इन ड्रिल एंड आउटडोर बेस्ट। अथक परिश्रम से यह दोनों पुरस्कार अपने नाम किया है प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम पनकप वांगपन ने। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। बेस्ट इन
Indoor and all-round base. The award for the best in indoor and all-round base goes to Head Constable Telecom Liamwang Lowang. He is being awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate and a cash award. Best in indoor and all-round base Head Constable Telecom Liamwang Lowang.
अपने उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन से इंडोर बेस्ट तथा 36th बैच पुलिस वायरलेस ऑपरेटर कोर्स के ऑलराउंड बेस्ट का पुरस्कार अपने नाम किया है प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम लिमवांग लोवांग ने। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र।
Beige Police Wireless Operators. Best in PD. The categories are: the award for best in PD goes to Head Constable Telecom Rubu Mali. He is being awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate and a cash reward. Best in PD Head Constable Telecom Rubu Mali.
35th बैच पुलिस वायरलेस ऑपरेटर कोर्स के बेस्ट इन पीटी का पुरस्कार अपने नाम किया है प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम रूबू माली ने। पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा।
Telecom Biri Jumun. She has been awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate and a cash award. Best in indoor Lady Head Constable Telecom Biri Jumun.
इंडोर बेस्ट महिला प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम बीरी जुमुन पुरस्कार के तौर पर इन्हें ट्रॉफी, प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा नगद धनराशि दी जा रही है। इंडोर बेस्ट 35th बैच पुलिस वायरलेस ऑपरेटर कोर्स महिला प्रधान आरक्षक टेलीकॉम बीरी जुमुन।
And the award for Best in Drill Musketry, Outdoor Base and All-Round Base goes to Head Constable Telecom Hibu Yapa. The parade commander of today's ceremony, he is being awarded with a trophy, commendation certificate and a cash award. Best in Drill, Musketry, Outdoor Base and All-Round Base, Head Constable Telecom Hibu Yapa.
Gentlemen,
देवियों और सज्जनों, तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट रुकनी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि आ रहे हैं बेस्ट इन ड्रिल, मस्केटरी, आउटडोर बेस्ट एंड ऑल राउंड बेस्ट। अपने उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन से 35th बैच पुलिस वायरलेस ऑपरेटर कोर्स के इन चारों पुरस्कारों को अपने नाम किया है।
Good morning. On this passing out parade occasion, my colleague Takyaringu, IGP Crime Tume Amo, DIGP ICR, Iraq Bagra, CEO of IRBN, Colonel Surendra Vijay Sharma, CEO NCC, Kipa Aruni, Corporator Tananiji GSP, and other officers. I'm also informed that retired police officers are also here. I'm very delighted to have you here on this day. Dear friends, media persons, ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I thank my learned DGP, learned ADGP, and all my colleagues for giving me this opportunity and honor to be the chief guest of today's passing out parade. It is indeed an honor to be the chief guest of today's passing out parade of 51st Batch Basic Constables, 35 and 36 combined batch of Police Wireless Operator 3 course and 1st Police Wireless Technician course here at Police Training Center, Bandadava. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the police personnel who, after undergoing grueling training, are passing out today and would be joining the proud police force of Arunachal Pradesh Police. I also congratulate those trophy winners, and I also compliment other trainees, other officers who have put in their best. I, on behalf of Arunachal Pradesh Police, welcome you all to the extended family and wish you all the very best of good health, unblemished career and growth. I also take this opportunity to compliment the Principal PTC and his team of dedicated trainers and support staffs for giving their best in imparting quality training to the trainees. This institution, which began in 1973 with a humble beginning under a single inspector and a handful of officers, have now grown into a premier training institute for Arunachal Pradesh Police. What started with the lone obstacle course in the thick forest is now a sprawling campus of 300 plus acres with infrastructure that has trained thousands of police personnel across various ranks and trades. This place wasn't like this 40, 50 years ago. The backdrop of this stage, there's a hillock you can see that used to be covered with forest, but that's not no more there. And the parade ground where you are standing now, it used to be a thick forest, covered with thick forest. Having said that, I myself was here as a trainer from 1994 to 1999, last part of 1999 as DYSP training, and from 2007 to 2009 as principal. Lots of positive changes have taken place since then. I'm overwhelmed and emotionally moved standing here in front of the port wall and the drill square. The port wall, though may not be the best of kind, the drawing of which was made by myself and got it constructed way back in 1996-97. I'm also overwhelmed by the fact that the formation sign, which I have drawn myself, I have designed myself and drawn, is I can see on the port wall. We carried a lot of plantation activities. The groups of Arjun trees behind the office building. अच्छा लगता है आप सबको छाया दे रहा है, वही एक मेरा इमेजिनेशन थी. यहाँ ऐसा प्लांटेशन किया जाए so that people watching the games, watching some sports activity can hide behind the shadow of Arjun tree. And that's exactly what has happened. If you can see, there's a groups of Arjun tree behind the office building. And it feels good. Then the avenue plantation and all the greeneries. I salute to the staffs, the trainers, all the support staffs and the recruits during my time who had painstakingly collected the saplings from the plants from the wild behind our PTC firing range, and we planted, and there are a lot of trees. It's giving you shade, it's giving you a good feeling. Therefore, every time I come to PTC, I'm reminded of my days as a trainer in PTC, and it is so nostalgic. And I have a special attachment to this PTC. I take it as my own, and I have done my best also to improve the training and to build infrastructure. If you look at the right side of the ground and the approach, there is a mandir, and this WT training center was not supposed to be here. The plan was to take the road from the mouth of the mandir and straight to the principal's residence. And this ground drill said the drill square and ceremonial ground was to be extended beyond the road. I hope someday this will happen, and then you can imagine how beautiful this parade ground will be. I take this opportunity to remember all the principals, the trainers, and support staffs who worked hard till this day to make this institute one of the best training institutes in the country. The likes of B.V. Acharya, the Rakshap Yamcha, Tashi Wangchu are worth mentioning, as they did the groundwork of what PTC is today. The contribution of Rakshap Yamcha as principal PTC has been immense. I strongly feel that One of the trophies should be kept in the name of Raksa Byomcha. Likewise, there are other officers who sacrificed, like LV Seva trophy can also be instituted. It's a proud privilege.
Instructors, proud family members, and dear passing out trainees. It is my honor to propose the vote of thanks on this special occasion. I sincerely thank our chief guest for motivating the trainees with his gracious presence. Sir, your words and guidance will remain a source of inspiration for these young personals. I extend my gratitude to all senior officers and distinguished guests for your presence today. My heartfelt appreciation goes to the principal, instructors, and drill staffs whose dedication has saved these recruits into disciplined and capable police personnel. To the passing out trainees and their families, congratulations. Uphold the values of integrity, discipline, and service as you begin your professional journey. Lastly, I thank all officers, staff, and organizers who ensured the smooth conduct of today's parade. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Gentlemen, परेड को अंतिम पल से गुजरने की आज्ञा प्रदान करें सुमन। Gentlemen,
मुख्य
अंतिम पद के लिए दाहिने बाएं से दाहिने बाएं घूम धीरे चल।
Ladies and gentlemen, respected dignitaries, distinguished proud parents, and dear Pacific Parade. We now come to one of the most emotional and defining moments of today's ceremony. The filling of ceremony of the first page police wireless technicians, 35th and 36th page police wireless operators, and 51st page constables. Well, they came from various districts and states of our country, young, determined and full of hope, unpolished, thorn-stained. But today, they stand before us as fully groomed, disciplined and dedicated police personnel, ready to serve the state and the nation with pride. Heartiest congratulations to the proud parents and families. Today, your unwavering support and sacrifice stand rewarded as your sons and daughters march out as responsible police personnel of our state. Your love and sacrifice have marched alongside them every step of the way. To our passing out parade, heartiest congratulations. Your passing out parade is just
ईश्वर को साक्षी मानकर शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं भारत तथा विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारतीय संविधान के प्रति सदैव निष्ठावान रहूंगा। एक पुलिस अधिकारी के नाते मैं अपने कर्तव्यों का मेहनत ईमानदारी निष्पक्षता के साथ पालन करूंगा। भाषा धर्म जाति
हम वीर है इस भूमि की, हम अरुण भूमि की शान है। अरुणाचल की माटी पे कुर्बान हमारी जान है। हम वीर है इस भूमि की, हम अरुण भूमि की शान है। अरुणाचल की माटी पे कुर्बान हमारी जान है।
छोटी हो गौशाला की, छोटी हो गौशाला की या गहराई जिया ढाल की, रुकना कभी न सीखा है। शक्ल न देखी हार की।
रुकना कभी न सीखा है, शक्ल न देखी हार की। हम वीर है इस भूमि की, हम अरुण भूमि की शान है। अरुणाचल की माटी पे कुर्बान हमारी जान है। आगे बढ़ता चल सिपाही, आगे बढ़ता चल। शपथ जो ली थी हमने उसको याद करता चल। कुर्बानी उन वीरों की तू याद करता चल। हम वीर है इस भूमि की, तू मुस्कुराता चल, तू मुस्कुराता चल। दक्षिण से कोई पूरब से कोई पश्चिम से, बोली हमारी एक है, भाषाएं चाहे अनेक है। कोई उत्तर से कोई दक्षिण से कोई पूरब से कोई पश्चिम से, बोली हमारी